Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to share your live location on Facebook Messenger. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your device and navigate to the conversation where you want to share your location. This could be with a friend, family member, or a group chat. Simply tap on the conversation to open it up and access the messaging interface. Once you're inside the conversation, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a plus icon sitting right there alongside your message input field. Go ahead and tap on this plus icon. This button is your gateway to accessing additional features and tools within Messenger, including media sharing, games, and importantly for us today, location sharing options. After tapping the plus icon, you'll see a menu pop up with various options to choose from. Look for the option labeled Location and tap on it. This feature is specifically designed to let you share where you are with the people in your conversation, which can be incredibly useful when meeting up with friends, letting family know you're safe, or coordinating plans with colleagues. Next, a prompt will appear on your screen asking for permission to access your location. Click on Continue to proceed. This step is necessary because Messenger needs your approval to access your device's GPS data. Without this permission, the app won't be able to pinpoint and share your current whereabouts with your contacts. Now you'll see the option to start sharing live location. Tap on this button to begin broadcasting your real-time location to the conversation. What makes live location sharing particularly useful is that it updates continuously, so the person you're sharing with can see your movement in real time. This is perfect for situations where someone is picking you up, you're navigating to a meeting spot, or you want to reassure someone of your safe travels. And that's it, your live location is now being shared with your conversation. The recipient will be able to see your location on a map and track your movements until you stop sharing or the time limit expires. You've now successfully enabled live location sharing on Facebook Messenger, making it easier to stay connected and coordinate with your contacts. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.